Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to review HP Pavilion 14 11th generation. The price of this machine is a 94,990 rupees. Right. In this video we are going to discuss about general information about this machine and the display information performance of this machine and memory storage and what is the capacity of battery, what is the disadvantage and advantage of this machine, and is it worth on this price. Let's see that also, and if there is any alternative for this machine I will also say that. For that you should be connected with me, and if you want to buy this laptop you can buy through my link so that I can get some sort of commission without costing you anything. Let's start. Yes, the first point is about general informations. What are the general informations? Right, the brand of this machine is, everyone knows, HP, and utility of this system is for general purpose and office and for students. This is not a gaming system or it's not an editing system, right? It is purely for general purposes. General purposes means watching movie, hearing songs, like that kind of works. And if you have any office works you can easily do that, and for students it is absolutely suited one, right? OS used in this machine is Windows 10 Home, the basic version of Windows 10, and weight of this machine is 1.41 kg. It is a lightweight machine. Fine. Let's go to the display features, right? Size of the display is 14-inch, a smaller display, means a smaller laptop, and the display type is IPS, right? I'm not quite satisfied for paying a 94,990. They could use a better, and or for this price they can use a best display, but I'm not satisfied with IPS display. Okay, fine. Resolution of the display is 1920 into 1080 pixels, that is full HD. They can, or they could use much better display for paying that amount. I'm not satisfied again with this, but quite standard one as of now. But for this price they could use much better resolution display. Fine, that's a standard one. Fine. Brightness below average 250 nits, and NTSC, that is color gamut. A device can produce or record the colors, not transactions, it is colors. That is 45% is also below average, I can say. For that, paying that much of amount, it is below average, I can say. Fine, the 2 points are done. The next point is performance. Under performance we have processor. The processor used in this system is Intel i7 11th generation. Yes, it is a standard, I can say standard processor. Is total core in this processor is 4 cores, quite okay. Threads are 8. It means core means, if I want to say in a layman language, it is if more number of cores is there, that means much better performance will be there. And threads are connected, interlinked with the cores. If you have one core, there will be 2 threads. If you have 2 cores, there will be 4 threads, and if you have 4 cores there will be 8 threads, and if you have 8 cores there will be 16 threads. Okay, cache 12 MB a standard one, more than sufficient for the purpose of this laptop. And clock speed quite low, 2.1 gigahertz, fine. And graphics, Intel Iris X graphics. You cannot play high end of the games, a mid range of games you can play very well. And you can play PUBG but not in the high graphics, right? If you play high in the high graphics, there will be lag in the game, fine. Let's go for the memory. 16 GB DDR4, 3000 megahertz of RAM. That is 3000 megahertz is speed of the RAM. The speed of the RAM is standard, fine. 16 GB, cool, that's fine for the gaming, not gaming, for any purpose it is sufficient. DDR4, they could use DDR5 for this price, but DDR4 is a drawback, I can say that. But storage is 1 TB SSD. What is the difference between SSD and HDD, right? That is, if you use HDD for data transfer, it can transfer 60 Mbps, or from 60 Mbps to 120 Mbps, I think so, or 80 Mbps to 160 Mbps. But SSD can transfer the data between 200 Mbps to 550 Mbps of speed. Imagine the speed of data transferring. Or if you open a file, it will open quickly. If you open an image, it will open quickly. If you open a video, that will quickly open in SSD compared to HDD, fine. And if you talk about battery, there is no information about this battery. If they use 6 cell battery, that will be cool. And if you talk about advantage and disadvantage, advantages in this laptop is only one advantage, is the SSD. 1 TB of SSD they are giving, that is an advantage. And disadvantage is graphics. For the price, graphics I think quite lower. And display also, for that price it's not worth. And DDR4 RAM, if they use DDR5, it might be better, but it could be better, fine. DDR4, it's a standard, it can give a standard performance, but they could use DDR5, right? Fine, whatever. If you ask me about alternative, obviously for this price you can go for Asus laptops. The links will be in the descriptions, so you can watch the other videos and the other reviews. Mainly Asus laptops you can go for this price paying here. You can pay for that. Build quality also is there, and specifications also very good specifications. If you pay 72,000, around 72,000, you can get a gaming laptop, and you can use those laptops for office purpose also, for student purpose also, watching movie. For these purposes you can easily use, right? For mainly specifications you can go for the Asus. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.